I wanted to just give a quick walkthrough of my heater here. The Mica Thermatic that I've had for 5 years now. So this is the condition it's in. As you can see, it still looks, honestly, it looks as good as the day I got it. There's no apparent wear on the dials. Right now it's on the high setting. I switched to the low setting, high setting again. If I turn this, it goes way up. It keeps on going. Right now I'm really toasty. These are the legs that are kind of coming out. They're a bit long, so they can be tripped on occasionally, but nobody's fallen or anything. It just kind of kicks it around a bit. You can see it also kind of pushes it away from the wall, which is nice and safe distance. I'm touching it here, and it feels pretty hot to the touch. It's not scalding me instantly, but I don't want to keep my hands there for longer than a couple of seconds because it does get pretty hot. If I move it, you can see it's got the little handle here. If I grab that, it's comfortable to the touch. It's still warm, but it's not hot. So this back area does get pretty warm. And it's got these little spacers here that can help out with keeping it safe, safely away from the wall. But I don't know that I could be comfortable recommending having it up against a wall. Not necessarily for a fire hazard, but it might cause some kind of darkening of the wall paint. I had a TV that did that once. Not cool. Anyway, it's terrific. I have a single bedroom unit. It keeps the whole place really, really warm. My friends love it. I think it's terrific. I recommend it to everybody that's looking for a different way to heat their homes, particularly if you've got a small room or a single bedroom apartment. Even on the lowest setting, this will make a single bedroom for a small apartment really, really hot. It's so hot, uncomfortably hot sometimes. It'll wake you up in the middle of the night on the low setting. So anyway, fantastic heater. Totally recommend it.
Okay, so I basically turn it off as far as the temperature settings. I turn it down all the way, and that's turning it back up, does it? So we're at about 2 to 3. So at 3 it turns off, or actually the knob is right there, so that's 4. So go to about 2.5, 3, then 4, and it goes on. So there's that light right there. That's on the whole time, regardless of whether or not that sound is going. So we'll have to figure out what that is. I wonder if we turn it down to minimum. So the minimum switch, so off, minimum, max. So minimum, max doesn't really do anything, but the temperature gauge going down to about 2.5 makes it turn off. So we'll see what that's all about.
here is the buzzing DeLonghi heater. And if I turn it down below about 2, it will usually switch off. There I had to go all the way down to almost 0.